face of that kind of brutality, that violence, that such creativity and such possibility could emerge. And I think that's what also, creates a space, doesn't it? It creates an opportunity to reconfigure that history and to create something new which doesn't depend on that history, but actually kind of stands on its shoulders and creates something entirely new, which then younger generations can engage with. Is that how you met Zineb as part of that engage? And she was here because I guess the pack is gone.
About trickery. Almost any story is almost certainly some kind of lie. But not this time.
My love story with cinema. In my childhood, visiting this magical space with my father, I was excited, with wonder in my eyes. I felt grateful, privileged, and content. In the 1960s and 70s, many filmmakers aspired to work around the globe, with new cultures and politics, low-budget films, non-professional actors, 16mm film blown up into 35mm. Dreams, fictions, truths, archives, and realities.